Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create eye-catching animated text in Canva, where each line of your text appears one by one with perfect timing control. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to add dynamic text effects to your projects, which can make your presentations, social posts, or videos much more engaging and professional. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, we're starting with a blank canvas in Canva. If you haven't already, just open up Canva, start a new design, and pick the size that works best for your project. Now look on the left-hand toolbar for the text option, go ahead and click on that. You'll see a few options pop up. For this tutorial, click on Add a Heading. This gives us a nice, big text box to work with, which is perfect for our animation. Now let's get some text on the screen. In the heading box, type out the phrase you want to animate. For this example, I'm typing in "this is" as the first line. Just hit enter to create a new line and type "justo" on the second line, then hit enter again and finish with "demo" on the third line. Laying your text out on separate lines is key here. It lets us control the animation effect for each line, making them appear one by one rather than all at once. If you're doing this with your own content, you can use any phrase you like, but keep each piece of information on its own line for the best results. Now here, where the real magic happens, click on your text box to select it. Look at the top of your screen for the animate button. It might look like a little sparkle icon. Click that to bring up Canva's animation options. You'll see different styles like fade, rise, and so on, but for this effect, we're choosing pop. This gives each line a fun, punchy entrance onto the screen. Once you click pop, you'll notice Canva automatically staggers the animation, making each line appear in sequence, one after the other. This is perfect for drawing your viewers' attention exactly where you want it, in the right order at the right moment. It's a subtle approach, but super effective if you want to emphasize points, create suspense, or just make your presentation feel more professional. Before we move on, I recommend clicking the play button, which is usually up in the top right corner. This lets you preview what your animation looks like so far. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. You can always go back and adjust the timing or rearrange your text. With Canva's animation controls, you can fine-tune exactly when each line appears, and even adjust the duration if you want the effect to be quicker or slower. Think of it like setting the pace in a story. Sometimes you want things to pop up fast for excitement, and other times it's better to slow things down for emphasis. And honestly, that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've turned plain text into an animated, on-brand message that catches the eye and keeps your viewers engaged. If you followed along, you now know how to make text appear one by one in Canva and control the timing to suit your style. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you learned something new, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for more Canva tutorials. And of course, if you want more tips like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.